Here I have LG G7 and let me show you top 5 tricks for the following device. At the very beginning let me show you the first one, the Smart Doctor. It's really powerful feature. Let's open the management, choose Smart Doctor icon, and here you can do a couple of useful things. For example, you can optimize your phone just by clicking the optimize button. The device is deleting unnecessary files, stopping unused apps, and basically speed up your system. That's it. Let's go back. You can also choose here the battery saver, and you can enable the battery saver, the extended or the maximum one. You can also go back and use the other stuff such as the test hardware, and here you can test the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, light sensor, fingerprint. You can test all the features from the following list. You can also use the diagnose or read the battery usage info right here. So that's it. Now let's go next and let me show you the LG Health. Really useful app. Let's open the essential, choose the LG Health, and here you can use your LG Health application. You can, for example, count your steps. You can set up some goals. You can choose here more key and, for example, choose settings in order to set up your profile, to choose your gender, birth year, height, weight, and other stuff. You can also change some modes, for example, from the beginner to advanced. You can see some notification. Let's go back. You can also go active and, for example, start exercising and count all parameters. Let's just use some exercise type. It could be running, for example, or other stuff such as the baseball, ballet, and basically all available sports. Let's go back. You can also make some challenges right here, for example, by walking into some distance and other stuff as well. So that's it. Now let me go for the third trick. So let me show you how to set up some screen settings. Let's find and select the settings icon, choose the display, and here you can choose your screen color. So you can choose some automatic one. You can choose Eco, Cinema, Sports, Game, Expert. In my case, let me use the auto. You can also use some color temperature. You can make it warmer or color. That's it. Of course, you can refresh everything to go into the default settings. Let's go back. You can also here change the screen resolution. You can make it medium or small. In my case, let me use the highest one. And you may also use the comfort view. So if your eyes are really tired, you can use some blue filter to make some comfort view. For example, let me use comfort view right here, and now your eyes should be resting more. Alright, that's it. Of course, you can use also the scheduled time to set up this mode in the exact period of time. That's it. Let me show you now the shortcuts that you can use. Let's use the settings, choose general. Here you need to scroll down and choose shortcut keys. As you can see, let's enable all the shortcuts. For example, you can open the camera by double pressing the power key. That's it. Let's go back. You can also open the Capture Plus and camera by using your volume keys. Let's start by using the Capture Plus. Let's lock your screen, press volume up twice, and the Capture Plus should pop up. Let's lock screen. Let's use volume down. Let's also press volume down twice and the camera pops up. So that's it. This is how you can use your shortcuts when your screen is locked. And of course you can use the Google Assistant key right here. Just press the Google Assistant key and now you can use your Google Assistant. That's it. Now let's go for the last trick, the live photos. Let's open the camera. Here let's choose the settings icon and let's enable the live photos. So now you can record the action before and after take your photo. So let me go back and let me show you. Let me do something right here and let's just capture the screen. Now as you can see, when you are looking on your photos, the photos are moving. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.